So it really feels like the latest trend on YouTube at the moment is for 40-year-old losers to tell you how you should live your life. For me, it's basically performative regret in an attempt to commodify failure. This is the most recent one that's slipped across my recommended video page. And he starts out with a pretty emotional message.
I'm 40 and I wasted my life. I've got nothing to show for it.
He has an 11-year-old
No house,
son, by the way.
no savings, no career that I'm proud of.
The long story short is he basically spent his 20s and 30s being a hipster, trying to be cool,
I thought I was
chasing women,
super deep,
thinking that his tattoos were going to get him through
because
life.
I had tattoos.
I wasn't even going to make a video about it or even think twice until I saw this particular part of the video.
And if you don't know where to start, I wrote something for you.
It's probably
It's
just some
called Dad,
ChatGPT
or it's called
generated
Dark
thing.
Mode Protocol.
So he's basically going to sell courses on how to teach you not to make the same mistakes he did. But honestly, I don't think that there's anything you can learn or want to learn from this guy. And here's why. 3 times throughout the video, he blames society and everybody else for why he's in the situations he's in. Take a look.
I wish I had someone in my life when I was younger, someone who actually cared enough about me and was smart enough to show me how life really worked. Nobody told me I was wasting it. Nobody. And when the world sees you drifting, it doesn't intervene. I did not know how to choose wisely at all. I confused chaos and passion and intensity with love because no one ever taught me the difference.
There's an old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. I wonder how many times he was given great advice and simply chose to ignore it. And check him out here reciting his ding-dong ditch story while he chuckles to himself about how he still thinks it's funny. He hasn't grown up at all.
At 23, I was playing ding dong ditch with my friends. You know, like I was 13 again, you know, thinking it was hilarious, which it was. But fun times. But I wasted so many.
Doesn't really inspire confidence in me to take this guy seriously. The final nail in the coffin is to then go on to blame the relationship that he got himself into.
You know, then I got into a relationship that wrecked my life. She got pregnant and everything changed.
The thing that really bothers me about this guy is that he's tagged this video with masculinity, when in reality, what he's preaching is the exact opposite of masculinity, which is a lack of responsibility. We don't need any more false prophets. There's plenty of amazing advice and examples already out there. I think a far better modern message is something like this. This of course assumes that you don't have any time to read books.
So I say, take ownership. Take extreme ownership. Don't make excuses. Don't blame any other person or any other thing.
That 30 seconds is all you need. And maybe most importantly of all, be very careful who you take advice from. Oh, and subscribe, of course.